Texas. What you say? Are you whistling in the dark just to scare the ghost away?
I know there's something following me that I can't see. Someone sure laid an awful hex on me.
A hex? Oh, Tex, that's pretty far-fetched. Man, I think you're just a little bit tense.
If you'd have got a load of what I saw last night, you'd have passed the Yankee Clipper on its maiden flight. Last night I saw up on the stand a little man who wasn't there. He wasn't there again today. Oh, how I wish he'd go away. I came home last night at 3. The man was waiting there for me. But when I looked around the hall, I couldn't see him there at all. Last night I saw upon the stairs a little man who wasn't
shit out my ass, load it on my PC, cause I need to get that Fortnite battle pass. I like Fortnite, did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite.
Good morning, chatters. Good morning, Krusty Crew. Hello, everybody. Hello, welcome in. Hey, hi, guys. Hello, Level. Hello, Ghost. Hello, Cotton. Hello, Interstellar. Hello, Karnan. Hello, Shanala. Hello, Ziggy. Hello, Domo. Hi. Good morning, Chad. Hi, Super. Oh my god, hi Greycoon, hi Loon, hi everyone, hi Jazzy. Yo, how we doing, chat? Yo, we're so normal today, let's go! How we doing, guys? Welcome in. Alright, I think that's everybody. Oh, hi Gina, welcome in, hi Sibo, hi Craig. Hi, oh, what? Craig.
Really bite
Fucking dumbass!
Wow! Wow! I forgot to show the stream avatars. Wow! Oh my god! Hi CJ! Hi guys!
He's not invited to the tree.
Welcome in! Wow! See with the pinball. Hello CJ, welcome in. How we doing, everybody? Y'all, we got a lot to talk about today. We got a lot to talk about. It's been a big 2 days of media. Woo! All right, how we doing, guys? Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday! Almost Friday. So I am using this model again. Just to, you know, because you guys didn't really get to see it on Tuesday. Hi, Bram. Also, the stims work. Don't worry, the stims do work. They just don't work on the starting soon or the ending scene because Mori is not there. So wherever Mori is, that's where you can stim. Hi, Domo. It is Out of Touch Thursday. Yay! Yay! I hope we're doing good today, guys.
Oh no.
Oh no. But yeah, so what happened on Tuesday? That was crazy, right? That was crazy. Oh, this model is so good. I can't believe it's called Crunchy because no, literally Coda did so much like to call this a Crunchy model. Like sure, they put in like less effort and they drew it once and then they cut it up and then they rigged it like crazy. But I'm like, it's really good.
The dog with the butter, butter dog.
Butter dog.
Butter on him. The dog with
Oh,
the
it seems like a
butter.
crazy dream. Oh god. Speaking of Friday, I'll be away with families. Ooh, that's exciting. That's a big weekend event. Yo, speaking of weekend events, I am going to a tattoo expo tomorrow. I'm going to the tattoo expo. Will I get a tattoo? Probably not. But it's still really fun to go because there's like a bunch of vendors and shit. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. So I'm very excited for that. I'm literally going tomorrow, so I'm very excited. Yeah! I'll take pics of what I can. There's one tomorrow. There's one this weekend. Yeah, there's one this weekend. All weekend, baby! But I'm going tomorrow. Excuse me. So, guys, I do get to appreciate it as somebody who has many of them. I get to go see them and show off mine. It's kind of like tattoo expos are really fun because I went to the one last year that was here in town, and it's a bunch of tattooed people, but these are all like the nicest people you'll ever meet, and it's kind of like a meet and greet. It's kind of like a meet and greet of tattoos and people like showing off their tattoos and getting tattoos. It's kind of funny. I love how Mori is just plushy. Is he waterproof? Not really. I mean, he's got a few cuts and scars on him. He's a blahage today. Actually, that was done by Schwaffle House, one of my good friends. He's, oh, hi, Sonny. He's just a comfy guy today. You know, we're chilling. So versus Tuesday, versus what happened on Tuesday, he's just a comfy guy today. We're gonna be chilling. So yeah, I'm gonna be this model for, I don't know, maybe most of today, unless someone changes it. So if you guys didn't hear yet, last stream, if you didn't hear last stream at all, I totally get it. Hi, Noi! I'm waving at you. Hi. Ooh! This model is officially in the model rotation, just for bullshit. So if you ever want to see the crunchy model come out, you can redeem it now.
Mama, let me out of this plush prison so I can bite Ziggy.
No! No! I will not do that. Is this 2D? Yes. Yes, it is. You'll know, 3D is when I can, like, rotate myself and stuff. That's, yeah, so, like, live 2D is these models, and then 3D is when I can use my hands. Well, actually use my hands. I've always wondered, do you actually have it? Yeah, I do. You know what? You want to see it? It's questions like that that get me excited, because I get to just pull out the receipts. Hold on. Hold your horses. Here you go. Is this what you wanted? Oh shit. That's me. Hold on, let me make that smaller. Ah! Ah! There I am. There you go. That's me. Yippee! So fun fact, I used to stream IRL, and I would stream in the onesie. And that's kind of the origin story of the onesie and my lore. Yeah. Yeah! Also, German's in my face, that's fine. You already know Sunny! Okay, I'll be Sunny in just a sec. I'll change to the kitty. But yes, I do have a shark onesie. My immersion, you're so cool. So if I ever go to cons, I'm normally wearing that onesie. And those shoes, we got the drip, baby. We got the same drip. But yes, the onesie is my origin. And I used to stream with it IRL. So that's the tea. That's the tea, baby. Yeah, I literally just look like my VTuber. Okay, let me switch to Sunny for Loon here. And you know what, guys? We're gonna go over April Fools. A lot happened. A lot happened, and I want to show you guys some behind the scenes. Because it was crazy. It was crazy. Red hair beanie, iconic. I know. All right, we're a little Sunny at the moment. We're a little silly at the moment. All right. So, a lot happened on Tuesday. I'm sure you're aware. So not only did we do an April Fool's stream, but we also did, I always do the Discord as a silly joke. So last year's Discord joke is that we went corpo. I turned the entire deep end into a corpo Discord, and I was the boss, and my mods were like all of the office employees, and then the general chats and the people in the gens could be like office workers. Honestly, probably one of my favorite April Fools that I've done for the Discord. But this year, what we did was turn the Discord into a Facebook buy and sell. And I still have the channels up because we're gonna go through them because they're really funny. Hi Fenrir, hi! Thanks for lurking and chilling. Also, I saw Omega. I hope you're good, Omega. I know you did a quiet hello though. I don't know why my eyes are bugging with this model so much right now. Oh well. Anyway, let's go through it, shall we? So I want to show you guys what the Discord was up to, and then we'll go over.
Who the fuck trapped my house with a drowned head and a repeating note block redstone system?
Uh-oh! Oh! Hi, Iron! Ow! Hi, Iron! Hi! Alright, let me show you guys what we did here. Alright, I'm bringing up the documents. Bringing up the documents. Hi! I didn't do it. Listen, I haven't played on the server for like a month. That'd be so for real. I haven't played on the server for a month. Oh! Okay, let me, I guess we'll just do the pictures first. Alright, check this out. So, this was the banner and the icon for April Fools this year. Dylan, all credit to Dylan, by the way. He made this one again. Dylan made a little stinky Facebook deep end buy and sell. So this was our banner, the name and the icon. Totally changed it up. Dylan! Yes. Yes. So that was funny. He did the one last year too. He did the buy and sell last year as well. So that was the banner and the icon for the whole day. We swapped it at like midnight the day before, so we were prepared, we were ready. And then, what else do we have here? We've got all of my logos, all of my Ultra HD logos. Oh my god, wow! Okay, wait, we'll go over that one in a sec. Go back, reverse. Okay, here's the channels that I added to the Discord. This was the ad listing, sales messaging system, and the post and boast, which was like, wow guys, look what I just got. Look what I just got at this great price. So we had a whole category, which was kind of nice. We had a whole category separating the gen because I didn't want to mess up general. It would have been like really messy. Oh, what? The tail wiggle didn't work. It just brought me, ow, what? Where am I? It just brought me closer. Here you go. Wait, who needed tail wiggle? There you go. There you go, nickname. Look at it go! Whee! So yeah. Ooh. Okay. And then, so we had the new channels. Hi, Fluffy! Welcome in. We had the new channels, and that's me singing. And Knuckles. I think that's... So that was mainly the Discord's branding. 20 minutes! Wow, I'm basically early. Hi! Hi, Nito! Welcome in. Yeah, we're yapping. We're yapping. We have a lot to yap about today. We're going over April Fools though, and I'm telling everybody what I did during the April Fools. So let's open the Discord actually, and I'm gonna show you guys the channels that. Wait, let me move some of this over. I'm gonna show the channels. Most was I could have posted something absurd images. You could have. It's okay. It's okay. I feel like a lot of people were busy or sick this past like April Fools, which I totally understand. So it's okay. But I'm gonna go through the channels. I still have them up here. I'm also gonna switch back to my other model. Oh no! Yeah, I'm gonna show off everybody's great deals. I was so funny enough. I got me and all the mods to like cosplay as like random users. Cal. She didn't post anything, which was unfortunate, but her profile was "Need husband gone ASAP." It was really good. And then I was the mayor. I was the fucking mayor trying to like get rid of shit. Okay, I'm gonna start at the top. There was a lot of good ones. There's a lot of good ones. So I'm just gonna show. I'm just gonna skim over them because some of them have a lot of descriptions. But I'm gonna just skim over them. So we had Sekwa, who was the first one in the chat to post their drum set, which got a lot of hits. A lot of people were being like, "Hey, is this still available?" A lot of hits. We also starred a bunch of stuff because it was really funny. There's one from Tuna. This guy, the Perry D. Yeah, the Doofenshmirtz. Or no, sorry, the Doofenshmirtz's brother. I like this thing. This fucking thing. With that one, we had silverware from Ali. If I didn't work though first, I was gonna sell a cool looking rock. You know what's funny? Someone did sell a rock, and I don't think I bought it, but I think I asked about it. It was Cody. We had Ryu coming in. We had a lot of people showing up for this. Dylan's whole thing was like selling like, yeah, mining equipment. So he started with shovels, and then we have Super selling this thing. A lot of uncertainty here. We have a $20 coffee from Crouton. We had Schnom. We had so much. This fucking. I was starting to sell like office supplies just in bulk. My medical bills. Pile of pens. Don't need them. I don't want them. I don't know. Downtown. Come get them. $5 for $20. There was a lot. There's a lot of good stuff. We had this hat. This was Star in who was Denise. This is funny. This was This made me laugh. It was brand new condition, never worn, and it's this picture of a woman wearing it. I was gonna try it out, but I hadn't been in my head marketplace. Oh, that's okay. I love Denise! I would have sold an ancient model of yes! Yes! I bought Rio's MILF hat. I bought that one. We had trinkets, the Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Here's the talking rock that Cody was selling. Cody was great. He was being like this old white lady who was just super confused. I kept getting mad at him. Duck! Rubber duck! That's the most buy and sell thing you can do. Literally! It was really funny. Office space. A lot of take my monies. Office desks. Antique. Here's the antique mirror from Tomato. Price or best offer or free. Like new, I assume no damage ever. This item called to me, I found at a garage sale down on Wiltford Street. Less of a garage sale, more of an estate sale, I guess. It's cursed ass mirror. Ah! Okay, wow. The fucking bald in this model is really funny. We had Static coming in here. With that really, really cute TV. We had Fenrir with the vials, you know, no-name vials. And we had Dylan with industrial offices. Half-eaten pancakes. Yummy! Hi, Toast. Hi. I'm waving at you. Hi. How you doing? We're going over the April Fools in my Discord. Hi, Lucky. Hi, guys. We had the spooky bong from Omega. I think Dylan ended up buying that. We had precious artwork. Aww. Why are you bald? I don't want to talk. Oh! It's not my fault. Don't worry. Just look away for like 2 minutes. Oh! Okay, that's fair. Lunchbox. We had a bunch of egg machines. Oh my god! Oh! Fish. Spamton? I was gonna say it's Rebo. Rebo is just there. Did anyone sell a demon core? No. Toast, my hair is back. Do you like me again? Do you like me again? We had Zorn with the Beyblades. Brother. Hey, yo. Wow, Shark, you look so cool. Oh my god. Ice cream, $5. Firm on price. How you doing, Toast? Hi. We had Kennedy Pony. I was selling a pile of concrete at some point. A lot of interest, but no one ever bought it. Here's. Oh shit! I can't reach. Here, I'll hold your hand instead. Wow! Oh my god! Thank you. Ah! Here's one from Cody. In search of Town Hall. I thought it was on the corner of 51st and Lake Street, but now there's only a pile of rubble and some office chairs. I didn't even read that part. And then I just told him to go somewhere else. Oh, we got this one from Iron. I love this. I want this IRL. I actually want this. It's really cute. That's peak. It Fox! It's really cute. I think I can find it. Okay, send it in the mail. A train. Someone was just selling a train. I like to think, so if you remember, Star's character was Denise, just some like old lady. I like to think about the idea of Denise trying to sell an entire train. Sorry, I was visiting on Taco Tuesday. We have Dylan trying to sell himself, which was the Capriclad vehicle. And we're like, what was that about? That's suspicious. We had a pendant. some magic items. We have a dump truck. Some minis from Omega. Some parlor beads, some really high price, high quality parlors. Oh! Yay! A dumpster! And I was selling a gross ass coffee machine. I cannot deliver. A really big ring. Gently used. I like it. It's like used by over 50 employees, bro. This thing was used. Still works though. Still works. Like brand new. Oh yeah, Void was the clown. The clown. And then we got Slender Man. Forgot about this. Another duck. Old school translator. Pick up my forklift or crane. Had to fight this tall white man for it. Condition preserved. 20 bucks? That's a steal. So a rental sign, a paperweight. I bought this immediately. A golden paperweight. What? Love that. Some games. Little guy. Oh, recreational camper. I feel like I missed some of these. Found out that the Mortis Redeem is referencing a game. Yes, it's Faith. It's from Faith. One of my favorite games. $1 USD for $2. Used.
Mortis.
Huh?
What the hell? Mortis, you say? And then by the end of the day, I sold the buy and sell. I got rid of it. So. But yeah, and then there wasn't, there was some conversation between it, just people being like, oh my god, look what I did with my coffee machine. I got a drum set and just a bunch of shit. The spooky bomb. Yeah, so, good shit, good shit. Good April Fools! Sorry, I had to cough. But yeah, and then we just used this Discord to talk to people. It was very funny. There's just like, hi, is this available? Hi, is this available? Hi, is this available? That's all it was. All right. Next. For April Fools, I think that was about it. Oh, you know what? Really quickly. Okay, we have to watch a few things, guys. We have to talk about some stuff real quick before we get to the game today, before we get to chilling. First of all, FNAF 2 is real. FNAF 2 is real! Also all the Switch 2 news. That's crazy. I have a lot to say about that. And guys, we're gonna watch 2 trailers actually. We're gonna be watching FNAF 2. We're gonna be going over FNAF 2 trailer because it's really short, but we're gonna do pausing and stuff. But Phineas and Ferb Revival, holy fuck! Oh, I'm so excited! Alright, hold on. Let me show you a quick image. I need to show you guys all the effects I used for Tuesday's stream. Check it out. Check this shit out. So, if you were here on Tuesday, you will know that my stream looked awful. On purpose. And here is how I did it. Here you go. Here's the image. Here are all of my filters, besides the top one. Some of them were turned off, but every single filter, fish. No, it looked amazing. Aw, thanks. You flatter me. You flatter me. Phineas and Ferb Revival? Yes, it's so fucking good. I'm so excited. We're gonna go over the trailer. But yeah, these are all the effects I used on Tuesday's stream.
Dark.
There was a lot. There was a lot. I'm thinking Among Us. Wow. Wow. So yeah, this was all of the effects I used on almost every single channel. It was phenomenal. Never do it again. Only once in a lifetime, you know what I'm saying? Once in a lifetime for a reason. Once in a lifetime for a reason. I'm getting scanned. Yay! Woo! Woo! Oh, damn. Shutter shades. You know, it's been forever since we played Among Us in your Discord, Shark. I know. Ow! I should ask Rena about that. Because I know Rena wanted to host more games again soon. But then, you know, life happened. People got busy. Oh yeah, let me zoom out. because I was gonna show off. Here's the whole model, you know, in HD, real HD, by the way. Coda did a good job. Coda did so good. Actually, I do have a Coda command now. Speak of the devil. God, is that one friend? That's really good. I want that hypercam though. True. Yeah. Dude, the unregistered hypercam was actually Dylan's. It was Dylan's final touch. He was like, "Wait, you should add that." And I'm like, oh, "You're right." So, I should ask Coda for an ultra lean. I'm sure that wouldn't be too hard. Oh wait, you guys, really quickly before we watch some viddies here, really quickly, we gotta announce the fishing winner. Listen up, chat. The winner for the March Fishing Competition 2025 is nickname livestream in the chat. Woo! Congrats, nickname. Congratulations. Oh, yes, you win. I won. You did. You won by like 100 points. So do you want? Would you like the VIP for the month, or would you like a gifted sub? Let me know. Fish! I love fish. Oh shit, my playlist is over. What happened? Oh yeah, I moved everything. That's right. Slay! Sub this time? Do you want it to here, or where do you want it? Where do you want it? Pick your poison. Oh, there we go. Guys, I'm so excited. To me! You shouldn't have. Alright, I'll do that over the ad break. Because I can't right now. Alright, you guys. Some exciting shit has happened. Okay, Jerma, you're gonna have to move. You're gonna have to move, buddy. Hold on. Where is he? Where's my boy? There he is. Move your butt down there. Doink. There we go. Funny thing is, I won the first... Yeah, did you win it? Like the first one we ever did? Because I do remember you winning at least once already. Which is fine. It's all fair. You know, if you come and fish, that's the duty of trying to win. You did? Yeah! Hell yeah. All right, guys. So let me bring this up here. Let me get a little small. Let's watch FNAF 2. By the way, this comes out in December of this year. Dude, what is with this year being like packed full of media? Is it just me? There's so much shit happening this year. There's so much shit. Oh, good heavens. All right, here we go. Let me boost this. Let me boost it, baby. You know what? Let's go over here. There's more room over here anyway. We're about to die. There's so much stuff. Dude, I'm like, please, I need a break, but I also don't. I just need all of it to come out now. I need it now. We're about to, yeah, the US is crumbling, but oh, thank God. Media. Is that a new transition scene? I mean, kinda. When did I debut that? It's like 2 months old. A month old? It is new regardless. Yes. All right, here we go, baby. We're gonna watch it and then we're gonna skim it. It's only like 50 seconds. It's super quick. It's super teaser moment.
Welcome back. Are you ready to
No, I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna pause it.
count with me now? 5.
I want to talk about it so bad.
3.
They're out there, Mike.
2.
Where?
1.
Everywhere.
Where are you?
Showtime!
Freddy! Mango! Yes! So, okay. So when I heard the music box, so as you guys know, as you may know, Five Nights at Freddy's 2 is my favorite game. So the music box is low-key like nostalgic to me. Not really nostalgic, but like it's a good hit for me. And I'm like, as soon as I heard it, I was like, oh! Mango at the start? I don't know. It's hard to say. It could be an endo. It could be Mangle's hand. Mangle is in the trailer though. I think twice. Bro, I can only imagine how I know! Like, they made her look so good, though. Like,
Welcome back.
yeah, this
Are
part.
you
I was like,
ready to
ooh,
start
that's my
the show?
jam. Like, it looks like there's, like, a main scene of, like, a fair in this. Like, a lot of people are cosplaying these guys, it looks like, in this trailer. At this fair.
Count with me now.
Five Nights at Freddy's, so they have the new poster, too. Hold on. Gone to fix my friends! So obviously this little girl, like, leaves again. We got our boy back! We got our boy back! Yeah! We got our boy! they made him less swag though. He got a haircut. What the fuck? There he is! I'm really excited, dude. Me and Cal and the boyfriends are gonna go and fucking get quality seats at the theater for this shit.
They're out there, Mike.
Mike! Our boy Mike! And we got, what the fuck is her name again? Vanessa. Vanessa, I'm stuck. We got Bonnie. We got the toy Bonnie. We got the sleigh toy Bonnie. Honestly, I think we've seen him like briefly, but he looks great. All the animatronics, they look great. They've been killing them since the first movie. Like killing him as in like making them. I mean, they also died too. They tried to kill me.
Where?
Where? We got Chica.
Everywhere.
We got Toy Chica. You know what? I'm curious. Do you think they're gonna give Chica her beak? Because throughout the entire second game, she does not have her beak. Do we get Chica lore? Do we get Chica lore? Killed both sets. Yeah, true. I'm guessing Toy Chica is the only one that drags dog. Yeah, dog. Oh wait, I think I see it. Never mind. I think she does have it. Maybe it gets taken off. See, if it gets taken off, that would be an amazing nod to the game. Chica better get lore. She was the first. She is everything. Yeah. True. You guys, same brain. Hey. So, hold on. Sorry, one second. We got Chica's hands. Frame by frame of Chica's hands. Goodbye. There's Chica's feet. Chica feet. Okay, here's our first view of Mangle breaking a window. Dude, she looks so good! Ah! Hi, Fritzer! Hi, Fritzer, hi! Hi, Fritzer, how are you? Welcome in! Dude, Mangle look. Oh wait, who said it was Mangle's eye? Because the orange eye. You're right. It's totally Mangle's head. She looks so good. Mangle's one of my favorite animatronics ever. Oh my god, she looks great. Like, look at that shit. You're telling me this is practical? Shut up. Oh, my queen. Dude, it looks so good. She looks so freaking good. The crowd favorite. The one, apparently she gets hit by a car in this movie. Apparently she gets hit by a car. Honestly, slay. Don't all their eyes turn red? Well, not red, I mean orange. Like, hers are specifically orange, like, from her own animatronic stance. As you can see, because of Chica's and stuff. They're different. They're different that way. I can honestly just scan this trailer myself. Chica feet coming in the garage. They look great. Scanning. We got Bonnie, toy Bonnie. Again, looks amazing. With the screwdriver. Who you killing? Who's gonna kill? These people, apparently. Why are they standing there like that? Just run away. Like, what's stopping you? Run away. Damn. God, either Mangle is, or that cat is gonna turn into origami. Who's that? Who's that? Is that our boy? No. No, our boy Purple Man, he got Springtrap last time. Yeah, I'm curious. I think he's the guy at the end of the trailer who says, like, that one line. I don't know who that is, though. Is it him? But he gets Springtrapped. Interesting. I'm curious. I'm so curious. Oh! Vanessa. Don't shoot. Maybe Henry? True. Maybe Afton? He always, you know what, you're right. Jump scare! we have an official balloon boy. Hi. Official balloon boy. Honestly, it looks really cool too. His eyes look practical as well. Oh wait, is that?
Hi.
That's Springtrap! That's his hand. That's his hand. So he is back. Wait! Wait, if I remember correctly, doesn't this movie have like a nod to Scream? Or was that a different movie? I don't remember. But this is giving me Scream vibes. The knife. That's Mangle! That's Springtrap. Yes. Yeah! Both. Yeah, okay. So we got Springtrap's hand. Seeing hallucinations of him or something? True. Maybe it's a flashback. You know what? Maybe it's a flashback from Vanessa. Because if you guys remember from the first movie, Springtrap, Mr. Afton is Vanessa's dad in this movie. In this continuation, I guess. If anything's gonna be occurring, it's that Cupcake is absolute demon for no reason. That's Mangle. We've got some new cast members. Is that guy holding a camera? We got Mangle, you know, snatching up a boy. That's fun. Matthew and Skeeter are both in the movies. They always have revs. I love that. I love it. So we got Mangle again, snatching up some guy. What is that? Is that Mangle in the car? What is that? This is an animatronic limb. This is an animatronic limb. This is the short end. Maybe this is Mangle after she gets hit by the car. It's the duo! Oh, I can't wait. Oh my god, look, they're all grown up. They're their own family now. They're their own Fazbear family. Wow! I'm gonna be mad at the car. Me too. You know what? You got a point. You got a point there. Mabel got car treatment, poor her. Alright, what else? Darkness, darkness, darkness. Screaming girl. This is a new actor. I don't know her name. New actor, though. I'm guessing she's looking at Mangle, because this is an up-head view. Dude, I'm so excited to see how Mangle fucking moves around. Screaming. Five Nights. 5 Nights? At Freddy's! Scanning, scanning. Okay, wait, what else? What else was here? It was Freddy walking through the circus, right? It was like an image of Freddy. Where was that? Was it here? Where was Freddy? Freddy. Oh, right here. I think. Yeah, so, you know what's so funny? Scotty! Hi, Scotty! Yo! They were 22 months! Scotty! Thank you for the sub!
Sharks 20 vibes, Sharks 20 vibes, Sharks 20 vibes, Sharks 20 vibes, Sharks 20 vibes.
Scotty, thank you so much! How you doing, sir? How you doing? Guys, that's the Minecraft admin. I love that guy. And my friend! So here's a cool scene, right? So I saw somebody laying out this scene on Twitter. They were like, here's what's gonna happen in this scene. As you can see, everybody is like fucking cosplaying right now. There's like a festival going on. Someone's gonna be like, yo, sick cosplay, dude. And then Freddy's gonna turn around and like kill them. Or something. Something's gonna happen amongst that level. I remember watching behind the scenes and sometimes there were like proper costumes, which I heard weighed a ton. Yes. And they had other mechanical things like pulley. Exactly! I know, they actually went all out for the physical, like, animatronics. I also know that Foxy set on fire at one point. Fredbear! And we got the Freddy. So, we saw the whole crew. Foxy needed a lot of people. So I'm curious how they're gonna do Mangle. I'm really curious how they're gonna do Mangle. Don't punch Freddy! Okay. So that was the FNAF trailer. Wait, someone says something at the end here.
Showtime!
That's Springtrap. The Showtime, right? Has to be. Showtime! That sounded like him, so must be. Must be!
Is that the bite of 87?
Oh!
Sexy as fuck. Ow.
Alright, one more trailer actually. We got one more thing to talk about here. Is anyone going to see the Minecraft movie this weekend? I know Rena is. Also, Mangle is probably gonna be interesting to challenge. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, dude. Who's seen the Minecraft movie? You're gonna go see it. Fluffy's gonna go see it. Dude, I wanna go see it so bad, but I'm like, I don't wanna pay for that. I've already seen so many TikToks of people yelling chicken jockey out loud in the theater. I'm like, honestly, if you're planning to go, plan to go to a shitpost theater, because everyone's gonna be shitposting. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Also, we have had some new stims today, or oh, I did add more stims. Why are you quiet? Let me turn that up. Oh, I turned him down. Okay, well, he's good now. A shitpost theater? Yeah, like people are gonna be yelling and screaming like they did during the FNAF movie. Hi, Grey Beret! Waving at you, hi. Come see it with me, Scotty, you know I would. All right, One Piece! Low-key, I could never, no matter how bad the movie is, because anxiety. No, totally, I get you. All right, guys, we have a very special trailer to watch. Just announced today, I think it was announced today, we got the first trailer for the Phineas and Ferb revival series coming to Disney Plus on June 6th. When I tell you this almost made me cry, it's because of how good it looks. You know, normally when you think, oh, revival series, they're changing a lot. I swear to God, this feels like it's straight out of 2010. Like, it looks exactly how they released it back in 2010. Normal is setting them. Hi, Tuna. Hello. Wait, me waving at Tuna. Hello. Dude, we're gonna watch this trailer. I think the only thing that's changed is some of the voice actors, which is fine. I get that, but the animation looks so perfect. So let's watch this. Let's watch this. Are you ready? You ready for the Phineas and Ferb revival? Let's do it. Let's get it. I'm so excited, bro. Ah, here we go. June 6th on Disney Plus.
Long time no see.
I know what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna bust Phineas and Ferb once and for all.
Are we gonna do this again?
Hi, Gio.
Agent P, we suspect that Doofenshmirtz is back to his evil ways. And by suspect, I mean...
He updated his social media status to evil again.
This is amazing!
Hi, Iris!
Check it out, Gecko Gear.
Red Bull Hot Tub.
It's a submarine sandwich submarine. I can't believe we hadn't thought of it sooner.
Everyone, hold on!
Isn't it great? It's like old times.
It does!
For the musical dance sequence.
I am ready for summer shenanigans.
Come on, guys.
Let's do this! Oh, there you are, Perry.
You guys are so weird.
I'm so excited. Oh, I could cry, dude. So I watched the fuck out of this when I was growing up. Oh my God. Forward-facing Phineas. It looks so good. Oh. I'm so excited! Dude, it looks so good. I'm so happy they didn't fuck it up. I'm like, this just looks like it did when I watched it back in 2010. That's what I'm saying. Sign me up, bro. Guys, who's ready for the Discord watch party? Am I right? Oh, boy! Oh my God. I think Baljeet is. I think he is a new VA, which kind of sucks, but I get it. I get it. I think he is a new VA. That is something I caught on. He had a voice line in one of these things that I was like, oh, that's different. That's different. Bro is different. That's okay.
I am ready for summer shenanigans.
Come on, guys.
Let's do this!
Yeah, that's not Baljeet. It's really noticeable, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, okay, sure. I wonder what'll change in 10 years later. Yeah, true. Oh, hi, Top Hat. Also, hi, Noi. Me, me, me. I know, right? I'm excited. Perry, we got Doofenshmirtz. We got the Doof back. I'm so excited.
Back to his evil ways.
I love him. I love the VA for this guy too. If you've ever seen him on TikTok, he's so nice. Maybe it'll come out right when it, maybe it'll be all right when it comes out. I think it will be. It looks so good. I think it, yeah, I think, you know, voice actors changing aside, they didn't mess it up. They seem to have a pretty good team over there. That's my boy! Yeah. The Ninja episode where they all masked up Buford and made a Joker guy's face. I remember that! Yeah, he is the creator. Yes! Yes, you're right. You know what? It's because of him. We love him! We love him! Yeah, new everything. New adventures, new song. Oh! Some new bangers are gonna come out. Woo! I'm so excited, dude. I'm so excited. Let me get a shout out for Iris too. Iris guys just got back into streaming, you guys. Please go follow them. They're so cool. They're one of my oldest VTuber friends. And they have some fun stuff over there. Looking at you. Looking at you. Hi, Iris. Also, hi, Gio. Welcome in as well. Yes, this was the model I debuted on April Fool's. So I'm just using it again today to, like, at least show it off. So you guys can see it. Welcome in. Oh, I'm so excited, dude. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Oh, okay. I'm bald now. We're going to see the Minecraft movie in 4DX. 4DX. Holy shit. I am nervous about when they use the elytras. I don't think they're even real elytras, dude. That shit looks crazy. That shit looks crazy. Anyway. Oh, man. It's gonna be, I'm so excited. Of course, Iris! I hope you've been good. I hope you've been so good. And we got Candace again. Candace and her mom and her dad and the whole fam. Fucking spin. This is a very good 2D turnaround. It's very good. 40 throws a chicken jockey right at your face. Yeah, you get to feel Minecraft. Praying Vanessa's, oh, she has to be. She has to be the queen. You know what I'm happy about too? They didn't like age them. They didn't like, oh, now they're preteens. Uh-oh, now they're preteens. Whoa, feel? Yeah, you can feel and smell. Anyway, very excited for this. I'm so excited. Also, I'm really excited to know that it's actually gonna be live on TV. Like, kids can watch this on TV again. And it will also be on Disney+. Yes! I'm so happy about this information, guys. All right. What else? I think that's it. Besides, you know, we can talk about Switch 2 stuff while I mine in game. Minecraft movie tomorrow. Can you believe it? Can you believe it, guys? Minecraft movie tomorrow. Yes, Shanala! We just watched the trailer. It's a revival series, and I'm so excited. It looks so good. All right, there's the ad break coming up soon. Ah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. 40X also moves the seats. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I'm super excited for Phineas and Ferb. I could cry. I could cry. I almost did. All right, well, ad break will come up shortly, but in the meantime, let's boot the game because that's gonna take a minute. We're gonna boot up the Minecraft server. New launcher is ready. Be quiet. I can use this one. Did you guys, if anyone had played Minecraft yesterday, the launcher had a really funny April Fool's joke. Yesterday? I mean on Tuesday. Did you want to see the Minecraft for? Oh yeah, I did. It was funny. It was the level up system in the goddamn launcher. It was cool. I like it. It was really cute. Yeah, it's still there. That's why my launcher just updated. It's like, do you want to go back? And I'm like, oh, no. Who do you think I am? Some kind of unfunny person? Oh, there was more? It was craft. Oh, I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that. What? Damn. All right, we're going to be on the community server today. You 100%? No way. All right, let me just do some quick fixes here. By fixes, I mean changes. Do that. Bippy-bap. Bee-da-bee-da-bo-bo. Bee-ba-bee-da-bo. All right. Yeah, we're gonna be on the community server today. If you don't know, access is through our server. I believe it does have a whitelist still. Sid, will you sing there's a Flint and Steel song? There's a song? What? Hold on. Yo, hold on a second. Whitelist who? Oh, no one right now. I'm just saying there is a whitelist. I'm just saying. Alright, is my game gonna capture or nor? Hello? Minecraft? Are you gonna capture? Please? Oh, yeah, there we go! Alright, back to the model. Whoa! Actually, wait. Whitelist... Whitelist who? There isn't one. Okay, thank you. You did get rid of it. There's not a whitelist right now. Not right now. Scotty! What are you doing? Actually, I gotta change my chatter settings. So guys, we're playing some totally normal Minecraft today, because on Tuesday I played the worst fucking Minecraft ever. I used like the crunchy, you know what, where is it? Oh no, I got rid of it. I used the crunchy texture pack. I sent a screenshot of a discussion. Okay, I'll have to look at that. It's broken? What do you mean? I'm not broken. Why is it broken for you? What do you mean? Wait. Do I have capes? Did you guys get the new Twitch cape, the Minecraft movie cape? I don't remember where I can do my cape. Oh, that's in the launcher. Okay, I'm not even gonna worry about that. Alright. Guys, an ad break does start soon. Okay, I gotta fix my settings here. I haven't played Minecraft in a hot minute. Posted in the server chat. Hold on. I'm curious how broken this is for Scotty. What do you mean I'm broken? Oh my god! I got ants in my pants. What the hell? Terrifying. Alright. Nobody knows where I live either. I'm at spawn though. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, let's wait things load here. That's me getting Thanos. Oh. By the way, guys, I am going to be announcing a Minecraft server event at the end of the day today. If I don't forget, if I forget, I'm just going to do it in the Discord. But we're going to be doing an event that's based around spawn here. And there will be prizes. There will be third, second, first type prizes, as well as participation prizes. So, you know, just keep an ear out for that. I will be announcing it later, though, because I don't fully know what we're doing yet. If you're on the new update, it's not on the new update yet. We're still on the 1.21.4. We can't update to the newest yet because we're still waiting on a plugin or like a connection for it. Yeah. So just make sure you haven't updated to the most recent one yet. Alright, I do want to take a look around because I haven't been on here in a hot minute. I don't know if anything is much at spawn. We have the Fetus Church. We should go check that out, honestly. The Fetus Church raises once more. Look at this banner. In the Easton and take the elevator and join our communion. We should go to the Fetus Church. Okay, I'll go there in a minute. What do we got here? Potato! Alfredo's potatoes! That's so cute! Aw, that's actually nice. See, this is what I want more around Spawn. I just want fun, cute things. Spawn's pretty untouched right now, to be honest. I've been on a hot minute. Me neither. Me neither. Alright. Well, I am going to go on a quick ad break. And then we'll get to gaming. Oh, Domo just died. Alright, guys. Don't go anywhere. We're going to go on the ad break. Feel free to go get some water, get some snacks if you need. And don't buy anything from the ads. I'll see you guys in a few minutes, okay? In the meantime, I have some jams for y'all. And yeah, you won't miss any gameplay because I will be on a break. Alright, I'll be right back.
taking a piss. I've been standing here for 30 minutes.
Want a break from the ads? Hi, Measla. Hi. How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome back from the ad break, guys. I hope we're doing good. We were talking about the FNAF movie. Oh shit.
I'm in the house like carpet.
Oh, it's too good. It's too good. All right, let me find a playlist here. You know what? I'm gonna be a silly goober today. Silly goofy goober playlist today. How you doing, Measla? Everyone go follow Measla. Really cool 3D artist. Does a lot of cool environmental stuff. Also just really talented. Really good bean. What a good bean. All right, hold on. Sorry. I'm fixing. Lucky, did you figure out the launcher? If not, I think Scotty could probably help. I know you have to like select the game you want to play. It's all in the launcher. As far as I know. I got a device with me. I got my pickaxe! Yay! I got my pickaxe swinging from side to side. Look at that.
Flint and steel.
It's real! Hold on, there's like a crease.
I shall craft some mines with you, mother. Let me swing this pickaxe from side to side. And swing my diamond sword.
I'm gonna swing this pickaxe on your head. Donk, donk. Donk, 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 donk. Mining you. Sid kill. No! What? They were the big sheep. Hi, Zellos. Hi, how you doing? Diamond. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Cease. Donk, donk, donk. Dude, my hair is getting in my way. I have my hair in a big ass ponytail right now and it's flicking inside of my, it's going over my face. Cause I've done it before since I can't join because the server's one, but yeah, you have to like go to the launcher and make a new, you have to pick an old version. Do you need Silk Touch to get Mori? Yeah, he's like actually like, what's the word? He's like glued to the rock. He's glued. Okay, let me fix my thing here. It's bugging me. How y'all doing? Welcome in. We're just starting game time. It's game time. There we go. Love the way Sharkside says, silly, silly. Hi, Fanbot. Welcome in. Welcome in as well. I hope y'all are doing good today. Hi, Kustakat. What's up? What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Out of Touch Thursday. You're out of touch, you're out of time. All right, we're going to the east side first. We're going to East Side Mario's. Because I want to check out the Fetus Church. Dude, I just realized, so I was going to switch back to my normal model. But then I realized, holy shit, I can put a pickaxe in my hand. Yippee! I could be doing better. I was going to get a PS5 that would cut into half. Valid. Yeah, it sucks. It sucks. The only like accessible.
Mother, look, I like glue. I just can never leave this rock now. I miss swimming. I miss my swimming mother.
Okay, you want to go for a swim, buddy? Here, I'll help you out. Ready? Plunk. Goodbye. Goodbye, my son. Be free. If you love something, let it go. The Fetus Church? Yeah, apparently someone made one. Alright. Hi, every pony! Alright, where is... I have to follow the flags, I guess. I mean, I don't really know where to go here. Well, look, I mean, I haven't been around here in a hot minute. So let me just, like, walk around a little bit and check shit out. What the fuck is that? Is that a blimp?
A lesbian?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Mask for mask lesbian.
Mori is stimming from the depths.
Ma'am, I guess you could say that, yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
Awesome! Where's the church? That's where I'm trying to find. Yes, ma'am, I am. Oh, look at everybody's cute. I fucking love this place. Is so cute. The House of East, little community. Oh, good heavens. Oh, good heavens. Little community house. It's funny. I'm avoiding using the button C right now to zoom in because the C button in Voices of the Void is to ragdoll, and the Z button in Voices of the Void is to zoom. So I'm like, I keep pressing Z to zoom. I guess I could change that, honestly. Dude, you guys are cracked over here. Look at all these builds. Don't look at the don't look at the heads. We got oh, I think I found it. Oh, I think I found it. Okay, Maury, you can come back now. Come back, my son. There we go. Did you have a good swim? All right, guys, let's go check it out. Also, Loon's house is so cute. You guys are so decked out. I have like jack shit. I mean, I got a couple diamonds. All right, here we go. Oh! Whoa! Whoa, this is funky. Ooh, creepy. The traders. He's almost Lord of Night. When shadows.
It was awesome, Mother. Thank you, D.
When shadows fall upon the land, chaos is born from the folly of man. We humbly await the master's hand, praise the night, and reject the light, and which will rise again. Wow, this is culty. I love it. I love everyone's so creative. Master hand, pointing, saddle. So I'm in the east. So there's like a lot of zones in this server so far. Apparently there's like the land of the east, there's the south, there's the west, there's the north. I don't know. I think people have names too in the chat. So like if you're in a certain sector, you can like get the little username hint or the little tag name. Hi Fall! Hi! I got my pickaxe. I'm honestly, did you see the hall? Where's the hall? I don't think I did. East is the beast. Is the hall what Karnan's working on? Because I don't think I have. I haven't been on here in like forever. I was on here last night to check that it worked. Here, I show. Where are you at, Loon? Over here. Yippee! Yes. I'm making the forge now. Oh, that was the last server. Oh, okay. Oh, see that cape Loon has? That's the Minecraft one. The drops one that was gone. It's kind of cool. It's kind of slay. But welcome in, guys. Ants! No, we got ants. Ant-Man. Ants. I love that advertisement where they're just fucking talking about there's ants. Ant-Man. Ants. I gotta finish my house today. That's the goal. Well, one of the goals. Loons. Oh, this is the villager. Oh my god. Good heavens. Oh, Sibo's skin is so cute. It's got like the little veil on it and everything. What? Oh my god. Holy shit. It's not done. You could fool me. This is a zoo. And these are all the prices. Wow. I'm definitely gonna come use this thing. I love trading halls so much. They make my life so much easier. Little farm back there. Wow.
I caught this strange pink axolotl-like creature and some fish in a bowl.
Oh.
Also, I ate a lot of fish.
Oh.
And found Atlantis. Oddly enough, it was under my rock area.
This is what I call my little dance. I turned into a bunch of ants. Oh, we got a mending. That's good. That's nice. Unbreaking, silk touch. Dude, this is sick as hell. I love it. I love how open it is. Normally you see a lot of Minecraft buildings that are like closed off. I love the open ceiling. I love the open ceiling concept. All right. That's awesome. You guys are killing it. God damn. So if you were just coming in here, and before I went on my break, I did say that by the end of today and or in the server today, if I forget, I'm going to be announcing a Minecraft server event that will have prizes. It'll have prizes. It'll also have participation prizes. So anybody who does actually just participate will also get something. Just keep that in mind. What is this? Is so cute. Dude, all these builds, you know the thing that gets me with this too? All of these builds, they all look the same in the style. And you guys have managed to keep the style the exact same throughout this entire land here. Oh, this is so cute. Is this someone's house? This is so flippin' cute. Just like a, hi puppy. Hi Opie. We need the Minecraft villager farm in the Minecraft movie. We should, yeah, remake it. Yeah, where's the villager like jail in the Minecraft movie? Did you guys know that there's a Technoblade reference in the Minecraft movie? It's actually really... Yo, Raiders! Hello! Hi, guys! Welcome in! Raiders! Welcome to the stream. Welcome in, everybody. My name is Sharksided or Sid, and today we're playing Minecraft. But I'm gonna give y'all a bit of a vibe check. You ready? Let's get it!
Let me tell you.
My name is Sharksided or Sid. I'm a variety streamer VTuber, and today is Minecraft Day. We're just hanging out, playing on my Minecraft server. I haven't been on in a hot minute, so we're kind of just going over everybody's builds right now. But how is your stream? Welcome in. Everyone go follow Micromera right now. They're so silly and so cute and so fun. What were you guys doing? You were doing art today? You were doing art? Yo, Mera, I'm just saying. Help. Okay, let me get down here. I'm just saying, if you want to share an art tax with us, we will gladly check one out if you want. But that's okay, only if you want to. But oh, you're doing comms? Yeah, let's go. That's awesome. Welcome in. Welcome in. Hi, Sam. Welcome in as well, sir. How y'all doing? It's good to have you guys. Well, welcome in. Yeah, I'm a variety streamer, so we kind of stream whatever we want here. And today is Minecraft Day because the Minecraft movie comes out tomorrow. Oh. We're celebrating. It's a celebratory week. But yeah, I hope y'all are doing good. Also, if you do have to run after your raid there, I get it. Make sure you prioritize yourself, okay? I appreciate it nonetheless. And I hope you're doing good today. Welcome in. Welcome in. Generally can't figure it out. I'd rather not uninstall a new version and accidentally delete Minecraft. Oh no! Scotty! Scotty, are you there? I want Scotty. I'm gonna try and get Scotty's call. Scotty's help for you here, Lucky. It's really easy. It's really easy, I promise. But I get it. Actually gonna go see it with some. Oh, let's go. So many people I know are gonna go see it. I want to see it so bad, but I'm like, I also don't want to spend money on that movie. But oh my god, I've seen like clips of it, of people seeing it from TikTok. Holy shit, it looks like a trip. Positive. Oh yeah, I forgot. Did you hear about it? Did you hear about the Happy Ghast? Yes! Yes, I did, nickname. I think I remember we actually went over the entire Minecraft trailer with the Happy Ghast in it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Did you know the ultimate life form, Shadow the Hedgehog, has taken it upon himself to teach Sonic how to swim? However, his teaching methods usually consist of chaos control to drop Sonic in the middle of the ocean and tell him to find his way back to shore. What do you mean fun falses strap? That sounds something like Shadow would do. I know it's gonna be awful, but man's JB is, I know! I've seen like videos of people like all yelling chicken jockey at the same time. It's so funny. I want to see it in the theaters. Right? Those hot dogs are all mine. Hi Strap, welcome in. Hi guys. Wait, happy gas? Wait, what happy gas? What, huh? Crushing a loaf. Flint and steel. Okay, we're gonna go to my house. We're gonna go home. Actually, I don't think any of you guys have seen my house yet. By the way, our Minecraft server has slash commands, which is really helpful. From what I know, I'm in the middle of nowhere. This is my house so far.
Flint and steel.
This is my house so far. It's actually super cute. Check this location out. Ready? Check this shit out. Yo! I got my own little lake. I've got a little patio here. Flint and steel. Hi, I'm Steve. Chicken jockey. So here's my crib, bro. Right, my crib. I'm not done yet. I gotta put a roof on it still, and I have to make a second floor, which is gonna go right there, ideally. So you mentioned the final review watching it. Happy Ghast, like the Minecraft Ghast, like the enemy, the Happy Ghast. Yeah. No, see, Shadow would just teleport Sonic to Eggman's pool when they argue and. You're right. I do gotta run for a bit though. I'm happy to learn. Oh, thank you for the raid. You go get your stuff done. I appreciate it. Once again, everyone go follow Micromera. Please and thank you. If you so could. There's my bed. All right, let's do some building. Oh, BP died. All right, I do need to like start enchanting stuff because I don't know. I feel like I'm a little behind, but I think I first want to finish my house. So let's finish my bedroom, if anything. I hate using slabs. Bro, I'm actually genuinely excited for the Minecraft movie. Low-key. I do think it's good for like kids. I think it's a very kids movie, and I think people tend to forget that. Also, I know I did mention it, but did you guys know there's a Technoblade? Oh yeah, it's when I got a raid. There's a Technoblade like homage in the Minecraft movie. It's actually really fucking cute, and it kind of made me cry when I saw it live, when I like watched the clip of it. It's actually really cute. And I'm like, oh! The creatures. Banana Peach, it is! That is what BP stands for. That is the BP lore. Oh, I can't believe you just draw me in the pool like that with Shadow Steppies. Deadass. Dominated by Happy. I love the Happy Feller. Yeah. Can I go to sleep? We're sleeping. Don't bite me! But yeah, the Technoblade reference in the Minecraft movie is very cute, actually. They literally like call him a legend. So the reference is, because I've already seen it online. Hi BP, hi! Waves at you. The Technoblade reference is when they're in the village. And Steve is like, you know, talking about the villagers. A pig with a crown walks by, and then one of the kids is like, oh my god, is that a king? And then Jack Black goes, he was a legend. That's actually really sweet. Oh! Alright, I gotta build some walls here. Where's my stuff? I had, oh. Ooh! Ooh, do I have glass white gray still? Oh, I do. Technoblade never dies. He never dies. I just think that's so... I'm crying right now! I'm just like, oh my god. Alright, let's do this. I gotta build my room. Is Scotty on the server? Is Scotty active at the moment? Scotty! Probably the one mob we're actually happy of obtaining compared to the mob vote. True. Very true. Fuck the fucking phantoms, dude. I hate these guys. Alright. How did I want to do this? Because this is going to be my main room. This is going to be my bedroom. I pay respect for it. Yeah, I never fully watched Technoblade either. When I had my Dream SMP phase, obviously, you know, Technoblade was pretty big in Dream SMP, so I kind of knew him from that. Mainly, that's where I knew him from, was Dream SMP. Oh, I still have this in here. cool. So honestly, this is a vibe. And then I can finally start like doing things. A friend of mine, when they saw the Happy Gas was like, she made the Minecraft movie is already outdated. You're right. I'm actually curious how much of the Minecraft, like how much Minecraft is in the Minecraft movie. You know what I mean? Techno is my main. My main is now canceled, as well as many others, so I'm not gonna talk about them. Oh, funny, but it's true. Alright. Give me that. Give me that. Maybe this. I love building because you just load your inventory full of shit. And then you just go with it. We gotta get the nether, golems, villagers. The villains! Ah, the world we live in. Ah, the world we live in. Listen. There's gonna be someone falling in love with a villager in that movie. I don't really care. Hi, Captain. How you doing? Cool. I'll build that part up first. Oh, wait, do I have dirt? I need dirt. I need dirt. I need some. Oh, bless you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh,
excuse me. What? I'm making fun of you. Doink. Alright. That. I sniff them out. I read that McDonald's. Yeah, who got the McDonald's Happy Meal? Did anyone get that yet? I know some of y'all in the Discord did, but we didn't get that here.
Bless you, mother.
That wasn't me. Thanks, though. It was Dylan. Yeah, I want to finish this house so I can like at least start organizing my. I'm a big organizer in Minecraft. Like I have to have a chest for like every single thing. True American love story. Almost running up the person over. Yeah, almost running the person over and then not, and then they fall in love with you. Because I don't know. It's so weird. What was I doing? Oh, I was getting this over here. Right. Get rid of that. Cool. But yeah, I know so many people seen the Minecraft movie. I don't know. I might cave. We'll see. I'm pretty busy this weekend, but but we'll see. I mean, we'll see. The only thing I organized is Stone 15 double shot. Oh my god. Yo, wait. First of all, how about them Switch 2 news, bro? Good heavens! Oh! Love advice from Sid. Don't do that. Listen, the Silk Song, there's some really exciting movie, like, not movie, game, like, updates. But, like, the price is of these games, like, I'm so glad there's, like, the games that are coming out on PC as well, like Silk Song and, like, some of the other games that will be on PC. More like Switch too expensive, more like switch to a new hobby, am I right? Oh! Yeah. Yeah, it's even worse in Canadian. I don't even want to get started. I don't want to get started on that one, but yeah. Switch to PC. On God! Kirby Air Ride, or Air Riders. I never played the original Kirby, but like, all of the new stuff I will say looks very good and very exciting. Like the new Donkey Kong looks amazing. Which was very unexpected. Donkey Kong was very out of left field. Which is good. Very good. But I'm just like, oh, those are gonna be expensive ass games, bro! GameCube, Virtual Console, Fire Emblem, Path of Resistance. Here's the thing about them introducing like the old system games. There has always been pirating, dude. Like, I could go pirate a GameCube game right now. Like, I don't know. I get it. I get why it's excited to be on a new console, but like, they've always been there. You know what I mean? And for a bad time, Avenue you go for. Yeah. I love the way the main villain in the game. I know, he looks so fun! The big monkey! The big funky monkey! Oh, he looks really cool. But But you know, Nintendo taking down every emulator to see, hey, there's still a bunch out there. That's all I'm saying. There's still a lot of emulators out there. But true. No backlash. We should build for it. I know. You would think. You would think. I don't like this. Can I put... Oh. Oh, right. That's what happened. I can't put my bed on the thing. Oops. But yeah, it's too much for Canadian. And at least, you know, me and Dylan are gonna split one, so that just splits the price, kind of. But even then, that's like $300 out of the pocket for a system. And then, all the fucking games on top! I'm trying to charge $30 to update. No, yeah, and the fucking, what is it? The fucking, HD graphic updates. You have to pay $30. It's not even DLC, it's just graphics. Like, hello? Hello? Alright. Cool. What do I want to do here? Oh, we'll do this. Just to keep it in line. Yeah, I'm not very happy about the prices myself. As a Canadian, I'm not very happy about the prices. Oh! Stay for the water! I'm gonna finish my coffee here. I'm not for certain, Spencer, but a lot of the what is it, like the Switch 2 versions of games are just like performance upgrades and they don't actually do anything. I think the main— Ow! No! Hi, Mako! Hi, Ow! Please be mean to me! You know what? Take no! 420p for handheld, 4K for docked. Oh, who's excited for the Switch Discord update? I saw someone in chat say that. It's gonna look like my goddamn April Fool's Day stream. Canada gang! Yo, what's up? Welcome in, Genesis.
Shark.
I love being Canadian. I love being Canadian with the shit Canadian dollar. I need me one of those right now. Sid's still cute. Aw, shucks. Would you still like me if I was bald? Toast didn't. Oh, okay. Well, I can't move. Oh, you can still see it. Woo! Tail wiggle, yeah. Hey, did I get bigger? What happened? Shrink a little. Whoa. I love Canadian dollar. I love the Canadian dollar tanking at every given moment. I love it. Terrible. What the fuck? Where did that go? Oh, it's right here. You know what? I can work with that. I can work with that. I thought bubble was also coming from bubble? Oh, the thought bubble? Yeah, I got, you know what? It was coming from my tummy because I just drank iced coffee. What has sharks eaten? It's like in Tomodachi Life where you zoom in on their stomach and it shows you like a piece of cheese. Oh, I already have stained glass right here. I need fences. That's what I need. Guys, new Tomodachi though. Like, I think if I wasn't sold on the Switch, like before Tomodachi is what's selling me the Switch too. I'm gonna be so for real. So, yeah. Tomodachi Life 2. Bald and no eyes is a good look for me, thanks. I'll remember that comment when I'm 74. What the fuck was that noise? Was that in the song? I heard a weird noise. That's what sold it on Dylan as well? Yeah. Breakdancing grandpa. Actually, you know what? Let me ask him. Hey, Del. Hey. Oh, that's the song. Dylan! Dylan! He's cooking in a game right now. Oh, I wanted to ask you what sold you for the Switch 2. Like, what game or what got announced that you were like, okay, yeah.
I think it was, this is a cop-out answer, but bear with me. It was everything! And when I say everything, I mean, the Switch 2 is coming out with a lot of volume.
Yeah.
When I got my original Switch, I struggled with it, because I felt like it didn't have a lot of content at the beginning. played a lot of ARMS.
Oh yeah! ARMS.
But no, the Switch 2 is just coming fully loaded. Expensive as fuck.
Yeah.
System walkthrough you have to pay for.
Don't even get me started on that shit!
It's brutal. Hello. I hate it because I want one, but they're brutally expensive.
Yeah. That's why we're splitting it.
I want Donkey Kong though.
Donkey Kong!
I think that's the one game I'm most excited for. Also Gungeon 2.
Yes, Gungeon 2 is huge. Also, hi Jokey!
Going through a Gungeon renaissance.
Yeah, we're talking about the Switch 2 and just, you know, everything to do with it. Everything to do with the Switch 2.
Also,
yo! Ferret, welcome in. Talking about the Switch 2 and second Gun. Yeah, you didn't see the Gungeon 2 announcement? You didn't? Bro. Hold on. I'll do y'all a favor. Hold on. Yeah, there is. It's in the works. It's not, I don't know when it's coming out, but it's soon. Hold on. Yeah, it was announced during like the entire direct. Here. It's a very short clip, but it gives you a good idea. And it gives you a good idea of the soundtrack too. Check this shit out. Here, hold on. That's my boy. That's my goal right there. And there's a complete style switch up, but it looks really fucking cool. I'm sorry, it just peaked a bit. Don't be sorry. You're excited. Don't ever be sorry for that. Look, check this shit out. Ready? That's cool as hell. That's all we got. That's all we got. But it is 2! Bro! Right? The soundtrack too? Woo!
I know Wizard of Legend was a really good 2D game. They got a 3D sequel that I heard wasn't very good. So I think people are worried about that.
Yeah.
Because that pattern has a bit of a history with it. So we'll see. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I hope it's good.
I still both hate and kind of laugh at how they literally did. They're like, oh, here's, you know, here's like the rest of the fucking games that are coming out, and also Silksong, I guess. And then there's Final Fantasy. It's kind of sad. It's kind of sad. Okay, Nintendo. Okay, buddy. Yeah, really funny though. I just love pixel art. And Deltarune! Yes! I'm actually very excited for Deltarune. Just so y'all know, in case anybody was interested, I've never streamed Undertale or Deltarune. Strictly because Deltarune has been a game me and Dylan have played together since they've came out. So it will only be a thing me and Dylan do together since. But I'm really excited. I'm really excited to watch other people play it. I'm just excited for it in general because the second chapter was phenomenal. Probably one of my favorite. That's where some of my favorite songs come from that series. Oh, do I have enough stairs? I don't know if this is tall enough. Is this 31 mementos? Is it? I don't know. I'm listening to a goddamn silly playlist. Also, Jokey, thank you for the biddy. Is it 31? Oh, it was! You're right, Spencer! Yes, it was. Correct. Yeah, I just have like one of those quote-unquote silly playlists on YouTube. Specifically, this one is called A Silly Playlist to Invade Military Bases To. So, if that gives you an idea. I might just close off this one side here. Actually, no, let's do like a little side sky beam here. Just to give more lighting effect. Apple pie! Drugdor! Welcome in. Bum, bum. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? Alright. I don't know what I want to do here. Oh, you know what? We'll make it the same. never finished chapter 2 at Deltarune, thinking due to its might have failed past. Oh, that's fair. It's really worth it. I would say me and Dylan did Deltarune chapter 2 in a whole day. We literally did not leave his apartment back when he lived at the apartment. We did not leave his apartment for the entire day, and we did it in a whole day. Yeah, it's really good. I honestly might just play it again because of the hype. So, not ready for that name. The military bases. Yeah, these are great. They're so funny. Apple pie. Meow, meow. All right. I think I want to copy whatever that was here. Yeah, at least a little bit. We're gonna try and finish my base today. That's the goal. That's the goal. Ooh. Also, I don't know if you guys saw the announcement about Deltarune, but the next 2 chapters are paid. They're $25, $25, and then all of the other chapters are gonna be free updates. Ah! Crazy. I would pay for it regardless, but like, really cool on Toby's behalf. I don't really like this space here. It's kind of off? Liz! Yo, what's up? Thank you for the resub. 18 months! God damn! Thank you so much.
Hashtag the goal.
The goal. Welcome in. How you doing? How you been, by the way? How you been? Good to see you. Thank you so much. Hope you're doing good. The driving joke was kind of nerve-wracking because I could tell if you could avoid. Oh, right. I have to play that one again. Oh, having Minecraft open and making stream go. Oh no! You couldn't tell if you were. Oh yeah. Tell if you couldn't avoid hitting other cars. Oh. How does one join? It's through the Discord. There you go. I just don't have a Discord command because it's to avoid bots. Because bots will do that. Bots are trained to just go into chats, do Discord, and then start scamming. Just saying, if anyone ever comes into your DMs and be like, hey, commission me. You should commission me because I'm asking. It's a bot. 9 out of 10 times. That's a bot. Omega! They are? Hi, Omega. Hi. How you doing, sir? Guys, go follow Omega. Omega just put out a stream avatar pack of chickens. Go follow Omega. Go spend money. Hello, been doing good. Barely missed out on most of you guys to hang out. Yeah! Don't worry. If you missed my stream on Tuesday, good. You saved your eardrums. But it's good to see you. I'm glad we're chilling. Hi. Are you winning in Minecraft? I am. I'm actually like almost done my base. Kind of low-key, sorta. We were discussing all the Switch stuff, and we were just saying how freaking crazy it was, and which specifics we're excited for. For me, the seller was Tomodachi Life when they announced it like before this all happened. But I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's hard. Like I'm definitely gonna get one because everyone else is. But But you know, it's just, people are like, oh fuck, I have to like get a job now to afford a Switch. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? This is a world we live in. Nervous laughter. But I hope you're having a good evening, Omega. I hope the rest of your stream was good. I had to like really lock in at work, which sucked. Work's been driving me up the wall lately. Oh! Damn. Bot or not. Bro, if you slide in my DMs begging me to commission you, I'm fucking destroy you. Exactly. I'm giving you a lesson and I'm kicking you to the moon. Oh, good heavens. This is kind of roomy. This is kind of homey, Ooh, I get my little skylight. Damn. Yeah, I'm just chilling. Let's finish a column. I think I had a cookie snack. I just finished a comm, I think. Oh, are you waiting on feedback? I get that. Oh, I get that. This is gonna be my bedroom. I'm just trying to like decide here. Hey, can I get up here? Damn, not quite, not quite. Yeah, final feedback. I just got a comment back today actually, which I will not disclose. I did disclose in the sub chat, but I'm very happy with it. Ah, I'm so happy. I'm very excited. They actually finished it way faster than I thought they would. And I am very excited. Gotta hop out, but I have you all the stream. Good night, Fallen. Good night. Waving goodbye. Good night, Fall. Thanks for chilling, gamer. I appreciate that. Appreciate you hanging out. Nini time. We got the stims. We got the Minecraft stims. Oh yeah, we're talking about the Minecraft movie. Happy Minecraft movie day. Well, that's technically tomorrow, but I know there's like pre-showings today. Yeah.
As a child, I yearned for the mines.
You have to get the Minecraft role. So with the onboarding, it doesn't really give you the roles. We have a role channel. So make sure it's just in the roles channel. You just gotta nab the you gotta nab the role. The Minecraft server role. MC server. Yeah. And welcome in. Alright.
Chicken jockey!
I don't like how this is. You know what? I will once I do this. I'm just gonna start framing it. Oh, you know what? Actually, we'll do this. Chicken jockey. Yeah, that's better. That's way better. Fuck! Sawdust. I would unironically eat sawdust, okay? I would think it tastes like the sensation of like cotton candy, but denser. You know? It's kind of like the same vibe as wanting to eat fiberglass insulation. You know? You know? You know what? Oh, I need some lighting up here. I need to go to bed! Oh, nice. Microscopic needle crunch. Good snack food. Wah! So I'm stretching. Ooh! Whoa! I'm going to do a tattoo expo tomorrow, I mentioned earlier. That's going to be my big Friday night. Big tattoo expo! Oh yeah. I don't know if any of my friends are getting tats, but we'll see. I'm so excited!
I'd eat sawdust and fiberglass. Yummy yummy in my tummy. Also I ate someone's car earlier. And a shoe. And some needles.
Maury? Okay. Tattoo Expo! Artist Alley, there must be crazy! It's actually so much fun. It's actually so much fun. I went last year. That's where I got my nose pierced, actually. I went there last year, and they have a bunch of vendors to like buy things from, but it's almost all tattoo stations. So the thing is, it's tattoo artists that come from local or they travel. So it's kind of like a really fun experience and a really fun opportunity to like get a tattoo from an artist that, oh, you know, lives 6 hours away or something like that, low key. But it's really fun because like you go to every tattoo table and they just have like free stickers, they got like merch. It's really cool. It's a very fun experience. And I think I've never went late in the night before, and I'm going during the late hours this year with my friends. And they have like performances and shows there. So I'm very excited to see what's up with that. Maury's a growing lad, needs to eat. Oh, you know what I should add for a stim? I should add the really obnoxious loud crunching. I love that audio. Do I like this? Is this hitting? Kinda.
Check it out, I'm in the house. Like carpet.
Minecraft roll, let's go. Yeah, we're chilling here. The server is also not on the newest update, just a reminder for anybody getting on. Yeah. So I don't know if any of my, oh, thank you for the water and Twitch. I don't know if any of my friends are getting tats. I know Dylan might get his nose piercing a size up, like he's gonna get it re-pierced to get a bigger hoop. But I'm not doing anything. Because I already plan to get another, ow! I already plan to get another tat, later in the year.
Hello.
I want to get some new tattoos. Do it! Do it, do it, do it! I'm such a good, role model. Go do it! Go get tattoos! I do want more, though. Oh, hello. Hello! Hello, Splatoon. Where's my silly list? Damn. No silly allowed. Let's do... guys? Is that Freddy Fazbear? Let's do this. Does it have the Pale Garden? This server? I don't know, actually. I have not seen it. Has anyone found a Pale Garden yet?
Shark.
What am I thinking? What's in my brain? Okay! That... Low Poly Garfield. Oh. I thought of Tattoo Artist Alley, and the first thing I thought of was a giant line of people T-posing back to each other. Ow! This is Java. Yeah. Wait, is this backwards? What did I do? This is wrong. These are on the wrong... What? What did I do? How did I do that? Are they not on the same level? Oh, these are on this. I'm dumb. No, they're not. Where am I? Oh! Oh, no, I'm silly. These are on the same level. Anyway. Oh, shit. I'm running out of room here. Boink. Java Edition. Ow! Ah! Thank you. Alright, my roof is finally done, at least on this side. And then I got the rest to do. Da. Do, 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 do. Cool. And then I'm gonna announce a bit of a. I'm gonna announce a little bit. Oh! Yo! Ram! Ram with the cerveza. Holy shit. Holy shit. Congratulations. You got a cerveza! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, I think this looks good enough for me. I might change it. Might change. I wanted to add... Thinking. Guys, we got, Ponytown next week, and the theme for the next Ponytown was decided. It's gonna be clowns, jesters, and fools, or the circus, if you will. This is your heads up to start making a new pony if you need to. I gotta do something here. I don't like that at all. I gotta change that. That looks a little... You know what? No, I'm gonna wait. Hold that thought. I'm gonna wait. I want a Germa. Oh, well. Okay, well, damn! Let's see. I'll do it. But I want a Germa! It's got 40 seconds. I'm gonna wait patiently for Germa. Got that positive energy. No, you! No, you! Yeah, we're chilling today. What's everybody been up to? Anyone doing anything cool lately? I know it's only April. It's only April, though. Can you believe it? I can't believe it's April. Ooh! You know what? I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna bring those windows in to make it look more triangular. I've been screaming about Nintendo. Facts! Facts printed, bro! Ooh! Oh! On God. What am I missing? Oh, I have one pale oak log. Where did I get that? Cool. Lantern. I'm excited for Nintendo. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. There's so much shit. And I wanna actually color more references for my characters. Damn it! They will not just be doodles. That's a good mindset. Like, you know what? You wanna like level up. I hear you. I hear you so much. I sketch my D&D characters so much, and I'm like, you know, I really should give this man some color. I've been planning on going to a Mexican restaurant. Oh, dude, I love authentic Mexican food. It's so good. It's so freaking good. What was I doing? Oh, I need more slabs. I need more flint and steel, please. Flint and steel. Flint and steel. Yeah. Yeah. Got my bottle in the VR chat. Oh, let's go. Let's go, Grey Beret. Is it? I think I know which one. I think I know what you're talking about. I've seen one of your models before. That's fun. That's cool. You know what? Importing models into VR chat is fucking hell. Okay, I've done it a few times with help, so I kind of know how it works, but it's bad. It sucks so bad. Oh, can I not get up here? Shit. Jade is the protagonist, and he doesn't have an actual. Oh, what? Oh my god. Oof, oof. Okay, I wanted to fix this. This is getting this is a little too square for me, if that makes sense. If I do this. Oh, I'm in the wall. I'm in where I want to be. You know what? I think that's what I want to do. I'm struggling. Why are you struggling? I'm joining. The server is on 1.214. Found out old friend from high school is being charged. Oh! Oh! I see. I see.
I'm really excited for the new movie.
Hi, Bear. What's up, gamer?
Little did I know, it would be a feature, a creature feature, featuring the creature. Had a bit of experience making VRMs for Lethal Company last year. Yeah, it's still never easy, you know? It's never easy. What are you having trouble with joining, by the way? It's, is it the client or something? Normally what I do if I, like, at least for joining, I do the direct link instead of the actual IP. A small child kicked me in the nuts and I had to, what? Chicken jockey. Average Thursday, yeah. Whoop. There we go. That's kind of cute, not gonna lie. Aw, that's cute. Let's do it over here soon. I'm decorating. Oh wait, you know what? I want it to be identical. Let's destroy property. As one does. As one does. Honestly, I don't think any of my people I know from my high school are doing anything interesting. Like, come on, guys. Take one for the team or something. Like, make the news. Yeah, 1.1.4. Or 1.214. That is what we're on. Just property destruction? I think our admin is AFK at the moment. I may have stimmed while putting state of in, and I said flint and steel. Oh! That's good. That's good. Up. And that's, there we go. There we go. That's better. Silly! A Minecraft movie. Yeah, none of my high school peoples have done anything. I'm guessing the bot's name is the server. Huh? What? I do have all the join instructions pinned in. I believe it's the server announcements. Cute! I won't have one on the bottom though. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of these because I can do something better. I can do something better. Forced to be silly. Oh god. Alright guys, we do have an ad break coming up. So I will be going on another short ad break when that hits. But don't worry, I ain't gonna do anything. I ain't gonna do anything about it. Alright, give me this. We gotta finish the roof. Do I have enough for it? Maybe. To be honest, my room from my high school has been pretty I know, same. Honestly, obviously some of them have like kids now. And I'm like, oh, you what?
So that's weird to me. It's weird because it's people I never thought would have kids. And I'm like, I knew them in high school and I'm like, oh, you're gonna have a kid? So, it's fun. It's very interesting. That's very, very interesting. Alright, let's scoot over here. Every single one of my fellow friends has at least one child already. It's crazy to me. I'm like, how y'all affording kids? How are y'all affording that? They must have married rich or something, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn. Like, another person from high school as a kid who is going to high school. Whoa! Time is an enigma. All but one have healthy relations with the part that surprises me. Wow! That's wild. Oh, good heavens. How did I do this here? I'm trying to be symmetrical. Symmetrical? What did I do? Oh! Where am I? Shit. Shit, choice man! Symmetrical. Oh, that looks cute! I gotta add like a thing on the top there. Alright guys, ad break is gonna start. I'm gonna go on a BRB. You won't miss anything. Except maybe some awesome music. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere!
Didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down tonight. Cause it's always a good time.
This town rips the bones from your back. It's a death trap. It's a suicide rap. We gotta get out while we're young. Cause tramps like us, baby, we were born to run. I like to make myself clean. I've been plenty of times. Slowly, it's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm inside.
Fuck that white man with that fucking gat. He think he gon' blow, he gon' let it splash. Crocodiles ain't having none of that. There's something inside me that pulls beneath the surface.
I love the Mad Rat remixes. They're so good. Welcome back from the ads. We got about like 30 minutes left in me, I think. We'll see, we'll see. We're gonna, you know what? I'm gonna finish the goddamn roof. That's what it's all about. I'm gonna try and get my admin in the Discord here. What doesn't work, by the way? What is not working specifically? Is it just joining? Where in the Discord? I don't even, is Lucky still in chat? It's Lucky Crimson. I don't know if they actually tagged you or not, but they were having issues with the client. They didn't know how to switch their client. Who's DMing me? Who is this? Oh, never mind. This is someone from my D&D group. I couldn't recognize them. They changed their PFP. All right. I'm leaving the music on. I'm leaving the jams on. Can't connect the server. Interesting. I'm not sure. Does it have a code or anything? There's Lucky in the chat right there. Lucky, take Scotty so Scotty can help you. Oh, Mr. is here. Mr. in the chat. Alright, what do I do here? Is this... Okay, that's what I thought. Oh my god, it's Mr. Also, Trogdor in chat is having an issue too. Alright guys. I'm gonna finish my roof and then we're gonna meet at spawn so I can announce what we're doing. That's gonna be the kind of final business for today. Fuck yeah, baby. I wonder who we're gonna raid. I miss Coda! I miss Coda Blicky! I know Coda's like so busy and like with Cal right now, but I'm like, I miss my homie. I miss the homie. Me and Coda might do another stream this month though. So keep an eye out for that! Also, you guys, it hasn't been, it's been in the talks, it hasn't been in the works, but me and Blanc are also planning something really big. No! What if... I made the wrong item. Did my tree grow? No, it didn't. Got my money, that's stupid, I lost that. Oh my god! Help! Help! Oh! I'm not, oh! 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 Would you look at all that stuff? Good thing I didn't overreact. No! Where'd the anchor go? Where's the kaboom? Why is shit's, oh, shit's broken? Oh, hi Blanza! How did my anchor go off? What? What? Oh, the program crashed. Oh. Hello? Ink 8. Ink. What the fuck? Hold on. Hold on. Where's my program? It's like crashing. Okay, there's a cheap anchor for you. Okay. Oh, by the way, we have a lot of cool plugins on this server, if you did not know. A lot of cool stuff. Okay, that's what I needed. That's what I needed. But yeah, before we end stream today, I'm gonna go to spawn and announce our little event that we're gonna do. We'll probably do it for I'm trying to think. Maybe it'll be like the week of next week. So like it'll actually start like on Monday or like Sunday. Toast! Have a good lurk! I love Toast, you guys. Did you know? Did you know that Toast is so cool? Alright, I need more. This is right, stairs. Let's go to the beach. Beach, let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Alright, I'm just gonna like build this out best it can be here. This is like a little extra building. So, oh yeah, here we go. I already set it up. Oh! Oh! Fucked it up. Wait! That's weird. Sorry, my OBS gave me a really weird icon. That's okay, come on. Actually, I'm gonna need more stairs anyway. Drop it! Drop them! Sugar peas! I should add that for the stim board. The sugar peas! Drop them! I love them for your fucking cat bug. Hi, cat. Speaking of cats. Hi, cat. Chicken Chucky. Peaches! 2 peaches. Peaches, 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 peaches. Oh, love you. I don't know why my shit's broken all of a sudden. I'm sorry. What the freak? It's like all my redeems just like stopped working. I'm gonna find you. Mista, you changed your name! Whoa! Welcome in. Hold on, let me just reconnect my bot here. I don't know why it's brokey. I don't know why it's broken, bro. It's so weird. That's not even my bot. That is my, oh, it's disabled. Slay. Okay, what? What happened? What the hell?
Flint and Steel.
Oh, there you go. Hi, Mr. Hi! I like your new name. I like your name change. That's funky. I like it. You are no longer decent. You're just Mista. Welcome in, gamer. Oh! Alright, how do I want to do this? I guess like this. I gotta leave some ceiling. Oh wait, I forgot to turn my sub goal back on from yesterday. Or the other day. Whoopsie. There we go. Next to Germa. Great. Great! Oh my god, my face! Oh! Why am I... Alright. I don't know, this part's weird. This part's really weird. Or should I just do like one incline? I could do that. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? I think I'll just do like a tiny little thing. I love this remake. Stay with a pet, oh my god. Cool, give me that. I'm in. Hacker man voice. I'm in. I'm in Minecraft. Oh, but that doesn't connect. Ah, I'm gonna crash out over this roof, you guys. Oh, why did I make this so hard? Oh wait, I have fucking things here. I forgot. Got that even though I didn't play the sword today, I still learned and build after having stressful week. Yay! Dude, stressful weeks suck. It just starts and then it just like, oh, okay, now it's just me waiting until like, you know, it's over. This is a remix I enjoy. I might play some more later, depending. Or like, not later, but like this weekend. Any more stairs? But yeah, I think when the Phineas and Ferb show comes out, I really do want to do like a Discord showing or something or other of Peak! I gotta show off Peak, bro. Oh. That's what I'm saying. I love how stupid the eyebrows are on this model, but unironically, they work really good. Oh, there we go. Oh, what is that? A hole. A knife! Also, because I finally figured out building after. Finally, yeah, that's awesome. Like you just gotta feel for it, you know. I'm low-key the same. Absolutely. Oh, I need that. Or like you get your own style kind of deal. That's what I mean. You just like you build how you want. Okay. I need more lantern. Not paying Disney Plus again! Yeah, I guess what? You know what? I don't pay either. I use my parents. Family plan! Oh, I'm paying for that shit. The only time we've ever come close to paying for like an actual streaming service is Paramount Plus for Sonic 3. But we didn't. We didn't do it. Okay, I gotta finish that spot there. That's cute! That doesn't look too bad. Cal! Guys, is this an indie game? Yeah, I'm actually trying out the demo. Hi, ma'am! What's up, Cal? I love Cal. I love Cal. I love Morbid Lullaby. Cal, are you going to see Minecraft tomorrow? Are you going tomorrow? Alright, I gotta go inside. Wait, what happened? What do you mean? What do you mean? What happened? Jazz music stops. I'm just changing the song. My boyfriend is dead. What the fuck? Why did he do that? What, is he busy or something? Or what happened? That sucks. That's what I'm saying. What the fuck, dude? That's rude. What the fuck? Sorry, I'm finding more music here. I'll put the silly back on for now.
Wow!
Flint and Steel! Blanc, go stream. What are you doing, silly? Blanc is just... Guys, go follow Blanc. He's literally live right now. Go follow Blanc. Hi! I love our Thursday ritual of going into each other's streams while we're live. It's very silly. It's very silly to me. It's so silly. Hold on. Let me put on song. Oh! Blanc, are you on an ad break? Why are you taking an ad break right now? Oh, my Blanc's stream crashed for me. What the fuck? Sorry, hold on, guys. Hold that. Hold! Oh, he is on a BRB. Why are you? I guess it's just past your hour. Okay. I lied! Watch it with me. I'm flying over. You can't make me follow Blanc. Oh, yeah! I know. All of you are probably following Blanc. That's the point. You should be. All right, let's fix this little hole in my roof. Boink. And boink. Cute. Okay, it's cute! I like this. I like how that turned out. And here's what we do, right? We do this. There we go. Tie that together. So, wait, Cal, are you just not going then? Clouchu! Raiders, welcome in! Hello! Welcome in! How y'all doing? Welcome in! Made it! Hello, everybody! Welcome in! My name is Sharksided or Sid. I am a variety streamer VTuber, and today we're playing Minecraft. We're playing a little Minecraft, hanging out. You know, the Minecraft movie comes out tomorrow after all. We're chilling out. Raiders! I got a little surprise for you. Are you ready? Let's go!
Let me tell you.
Welcome in. How was Hades? Based game alert. Based game alert. Hey! Welcome in, everybody. Oh, well, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Oh my god, my name is Sharksided or Sid, and yeah, we're just hanging out tonight on our Minecraft server. I hope you guys are doing so good.
Flint and Steel.
Oh my god, that scared me. Welcome in, everybody. I hope you guys had a wonderful stream. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in again. My name is Sharksided. I do a little bit of everything on this channel, including some Minecraft. But yeah, welcome in. I am Clot now. That game is base. Hades is so much fun. I played it briefly last year. I don't know, are you guys like far into Hades or what like how y'all doing with Hades? I haven't even tried Hades 2 either. Welcome in though. Oh, rigged. What the hell? Why did I win? Hi guys, but hi, welcome in. It's so good to have you. So good to see you. We're honestly just chilling right now. I'm working on my house. I'm trying to finish my roof. My building. But yeah, welcome in guys, welcome in. It's good to see you, Kachu. I hope you've been well. If you have to run after your raid there, or you know, go eat dinner or go to bed, etc. Feel free, I totally get it. I totally get it. Make sure you take care of yourself. I hate it! I'm bad at the game and I keep dying, no! I get it, that game is crazy. Like, it's so fast paced too. Hades nuts. Oh! Oh, okay, I gotta end stream. I gotta end stream. I mean, Hades is nuts. But yeah, welcome in guys. Welcome in. Yeah, we're chilling today. We're hanging out. Oh my god, yeah, the trees have auto fall here, and if you don't remember, it scares the shit out of you. Ooh! B. But yeah, welcome in guys. Welcome in everybody. I still hope you at least had a little bit of fun. Don't worry, we'll go to bed. Mod cage after that. Yeah, get him out of here! Welcome in all, welcome in. Yeah, we're honestly just hanging out and chatting today. We were talking about the Switch 2 and all that good shit. I don't know if it's good, but you know, it's something to talk about. And yeah, also the Minecraft movie. I was asking my mod, Cal, if she was gonna go see it, but I don't... Cal, like, what do you mean your boyfriend died? Silk Song moment! Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Alright. Bit tilted, a bit tilted. Oh. Hey, I get it. I get it. Sometimes I have streams where I play a game and then I just don't enjoy the game at all and I switch games midstream. Just like, no shame in that. No shame in that whatsoever. Alright, I think I'm done. Unless I want to do... I'm trying to plan out. You know what? Hold on. Yeah, no, BF dead. He's gone sick. He's gone. He's sick for the next, like, week. We'll go with Joe! Honestly, I've been talking to Joe again, actually, Cal. Well, kinda. I need to reply to him. But we've been talking on TikTok. Because he followed me on my VTuber TikTok, which is so funny. Alright, what do I need here? What else do I need to do? Let's do...
Go ahead, Martin, take that staff from her, please. I signed it, by the way.
Fuck yeah.
Millions. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You did? Oh my god, Cloud Shoe. Oh, that's amazing. That's so good. For April Fools, I debuted this model you're seeing right now, and I made my stream the worst fucking quality you've probably ever seen. It was great. Alright, I'm putting the finishing touches. I think these are cute. Oh, I need more. He's like time and where, cause BF dead. Literally need to go see it. I've seen the TikTok and me too. Me too. I've seen the TikToks where everybody like is just chicken jockey, and then everybody in the theater cheers. It's really funny. I'm like, you know what? I would go see it to shitpost. I've also seen the Technoblade tribute, which made me cry. It makes me cry just talking about it. Oh. I mean, I'm guessing other than they got convinced by people of Rocksteady, I think their game should put down $100 games. I think that's how much advanced the console. Yeah. I also heard the console has like a 2-hour battery life for Switch 2, so I don't know. Worst quality? I don't know, man. Have you seen my streams? Oh, chicken jockey. I've cried so hard I wasn't even. I know, right? Me neither. But yeah, welcome in. Clutch, if you do have to go eat dinner or something, I totally get that, or like go lurk. But otherwise, yeah, we absolutely chilling today. We're chilling today. Yeah, we were talking about. I was talking about Technoblade 2 because I was like, I was never like a straight watcher, but he was in the Dream SMP, and that's why that's the only reason why I knew mainly about him. Shat's funny Mike peeks out of every other world. Yeah. No, for real. Yeah. Yeah, on God. Yeah. Me too. Me too. I'm just adding details at this point. Alright. Ugh. I don't know, it's hard to tell. I don't want to go down though. I don't... With the flip. With the scallop. What the Sigma. But yeah, I have all the Minecraft stims in my stim button, by the way. So, you can pop that off whenever you want. Hi, Kane! Hi, Kane! Hi, Kane! Hi! It's good to see you, Kane! How you doing? Ooh, this is cute. You know what? I don't think I like the fence there. Let me get that. Let me grab that. At least just that one. How you doing, Kane? It's good to see you, sir. You know what? That's cute. That's giving. I need to add a I need to add a chimney. A chimney! Is that another word you guys are gonna make fun of me for? Chimney? Chimney? Chimney, chimney, chim-chim-chiroo. Oh, hey, this is what Shark sounds like when they're not streaming as a fax machine. Hi, Dizzy. Yes! I'm normal again. Normal, quote unquote. Might be a bit personal, but a month legit. Hold on. Grandma passed away like 10 days after. Oh my God, Cloudchew, that sucks. Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that. That's a lot in like 1 month. No, I hear you. That's a lot in 1 month. I totally hear you on that. Likewise, Fred, I'm doing well. I'm doing a bit of shooty and COD and getting my ass handed to me. Oh no! I hope you're having fun at least. There's a difference between getting your ass beat and then feeling like shit, but also just like having fun.
Chicken jockey.
Thanks, guys. Alright, I think the house is done. Slay. Yay! Clappy, clappy, clappy. And then I can like just start putting my stuff in here. Cool.
Woo!
Glacial! Glacial! Hi! Chicken jockey! How you doing, Glacial? Are you feeling better? I heard you were sick. Or something. Oh, I have a lantern. I have a single lantern! Absolutely, I love the game, especially with the wacky stuff. Yeah! It's fun that way. Why you sound so much like Peter Griffin? Peter. Chicken jockey. Okay, thank you. Thank you for making me bald! 7, 8. I don't fucking know. Put that there. But no! Oh! I'm doing my fucking taxes, bro. I'm cooked. Dude, I finally, well, Dylan took mine in for me because we have a tax person right near his work. But Dylan took mine in and I am scared. I'm scared. I'm very scared. I had to owe last year and I know I'm probably gonna have to owe again. But that's okay. That's fine. That's life. That's just life. Don't stop it so much. No, it's not fucking fun, dude. It sucks so much butt. It's like I know I have to put away money because I'm probably gonna owe again for at least a good hot minute. But I'm like, I don't know. Just fuck you. Fuck you. That's what I say. All right. Sweet. Now I can actually start playing the game. My house is done. 2K! Oh my god! I hate the government. I hate the government. Boy, I'm nervous about what I'm about to. Oh God, good heavens. Oh, whoa. I'll put my hands down here too. Whoa. I'm going through H&R Online. The estimate keeps dropping. I'm so scared now. Yeah, we're just paying somebody to do ours because fuck doing that shit. I could never. And it doesn't help too. It doesn't help that Twitch didn't actually give me a T4 this year, or whatever it's called, a Royal Bank form. Ow! You know what they gave me instead because they changed it? They just, you know, they're like, hey, we're gonna save money and not actually give people their taxes this year. You know what they did instead? They split up the 142S. They split it up. And now, if you're Canadian, you only get your ad revenue on your form and nothing else. So if you're American, you'll get all the other shit. If you're Canadian, all you get is the ad revenue that you made in 2024. Yes, guys! I'm gonna prove to you right now that ads don't mean shit to me, especially small streamers. I want you to, I just want you guys to guess how much ad revenue I made in 2024. Take your best guess, besties. Take your best fucking guess. It was $2. It's $2. $2.41. Yeah, Glacial, you got 2 as well. So I made $2 in Twitch in ad revenue for last year. I made all the other money, you know, in subs and biddies and donations. Like, that's the shit I want. Like, that's the ad page I needed. So I had to print out every single one of my Twitch payouts and just give it to the tax people. That's like $20 American. Just stop. I'm like, you have to exactly. We can't turn off ads. I would if I could. They're stupid. They're stupid. I'm about to die. No. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to spawn. You don't have to come to spawn. I'm just gonna be there to announce it because that's where the event's gonna take place. Anyway, yeah, taxes were a little bit frustrating this year because of Twitch. So, thanks, Twitch. Thank you. And guess what? When I reached out to their support line, they're like, here's an automated message for your convenience. I'm like, great, thanks, guys. I'm reporting mine as self-employment and it's a headache. Oh, yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just giving them my, you know, here's what I do, here's what I did type beat. I don't even write anything off either. There's no point to it for me. It's just more of a headache for me. Sure, I could write off, you know, my models or any stream assets that are like, you know, for the stream, but who does? Like, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do all that. All right, let's get over here. I see that. Oh, is that a cow? Who's that? I see you. You're not slick, whoever that is. I saw your toes. Oh, it was a skeleton! I thought that was a person! Oh my god! I swear to god that was a person! Imposter! I'm writing off everything, honestly. Good luck, because I know it does really fucking help people in the end with certain things. Best of luck. See, when you start doing that, it really shows you how much you have to be tracking, you know? It really shows you how much you gotta be tracking that shit. Of course, you can't turn it off. Like, I want to lose 50% of my viewers because they immediately meet with... Yeah, exactly! Here's the thing, though. If you balance ads, you know, on a break schedule, it's nice that way, at least, because when I go on a break, I just go on a BRB screen and I'm gone for 3 minutes. But it sucks. Like, the only way to turn off ads is to not become affiliate, and I'm like, sorry, I kind of want to keep all of my emotes and all of my redeems. Hi, Beaver!
Smoky Granite with a hint A dog peed on it.
Bit paranoid? Yeah, real. Sin, where the fuck are you? I don't know. I'm far away. I'm far away. Here's a flash of my cords. There you go. Gone. Both you and Germa do the brake system that makes it. Does Germa do a brake system too? I'm sorry. I kind of like lost Germa as one of my white boy Oshis. Like he's not in good hands right now because he played that AI art game. So I'm like, ugh, that sucks. So it's kind of hard to not. It's kind of hard. It sucks. White boy Oshi died. Cheeto Puff. Hi, gay Cheeto Puff. Based fucking username. Hi, Leo. Hi. Thank you for the crawlers. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling, Glacial. It sucks. A lot of my good, like, a lot of the big streamers that I watch, like Joel or Germa, they played the AI game. I don't like it. I don't like it. Said I forgot to log in for a super long time again. Wait, what do you mean log in? Like on Minecraft? Yeah, me too. Me too. Ugh. My nose itchy. The thing about is the government is getting my money one way or the other or something. Yeah! Nope, on God, I hear you. I hear you. Alright guys, I'm going to spawn. And I'm going to tell you guys what we have coming up. I love that Coda emote. That's like one of my favorite Coda emotes. Okay, so this is spawn. Let me just like get up somewhere you guys can see shit. My house is still unfinished. I just finished mine! Man, they love fishing. Yeah, we have a fishing competition on stream here. So every month, people get to fish for 5 times per stream. Only 5. And the person with the highest score by the end of the month either gets VIP for a month or a gifted sub of their choice. Ah! Ah! Alright. Speaking of which, I gotta do something real quick. Speaking of which, the winner from last month, I have to... Oh, shit. You know what? I'll do that after stream. I can't actually do it right now. I don't know if people repurposed it. They shouldn't have. People shouldn't be touching other people's stuff. So, all right, guys. So we're gonna be doing a Minecraft server event. Germa, Joel, why this? I know it sucks. It sucks. It sucks because they don't care. That's the thing. They don't care. Oh, whose fucking house is up there? That's cool. That's neat. Oh, that's pretty. Anyway, okay, listen up. All right, listen up. We're gonna be doing an event probably next week. Get the fuck out. You don't have to be near me if you don't want. I'm just showing you guys what spawn looks like right now. This is spawn at the moment. Not a lot has been done at spawn. But wait, what AI game? Was it like generative? It's that new like Sims game, Enzoy or whatever. It has AI components in it. Sure, it's nothing crazy, but it's, you know, there's still AI in it nonetheless, so it's kind of shitty. Oh, what the hell? Hold on, sorry. One of my OBS settings is all freaky. One of my OBS is all freaky and weird. Cal! Is this Cal? When did you change your name? Why did you change your name?
Was that the bite of 87?
Aww, you're so fucking cute. Fuck you. Anyway, anyway, okay, so we're gonna have an event starting probably Sunday night. Maybe we'll do Sunday night so we have a week to do it. Hi, Husky, hi! Hi! Can we get a shout out for Audio Husky, please? The mods are fighting! The mods are fighting! Oh. Anyway, so starting, I'll make an official announcement in the Discord, but this is spawn. It's pretty bare bones right now. The contest is gonna be, so there will be prizes for first, second, third, and there will be a participant. There will be an award just for participating, okay? So like, even if you do something, you'll still get stuff. What that will be, I still have to decide, but it'll be officially announced, you know, on Sunday. I just got accepted. What? Acousticat, holy shit. Can we get some clappies in chat for Acousticats? Jesus Christ. Damn, congratulations. What the fuck? That's huge. That is huge. Congratulations. What the freak? What the flip? That's gonna be, that's fun. That's fun. Won't too much. Anyway. I love cow. Anyway, so the okay, what the event is gonna be is I want to see Spawn look nicer. I want like community to happen in Spawn. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold an event for the best, voted by chat maybe voted by me, or we'll see. I want the best shops in Spawn. I want to see pathways. I want to see some sort of communal event, a communal land happening here in Spawn, okay? I want to see some of the best shops, some of the best buildings. It doesn't have to be a shop. It could just be like a little building. I want to see some shops going up. I want to see some buildings. I want to see some communal efforts happening in Spawn here. So the goal is to build, could be the best shop, could be the best building, could be the best, you know, I don't know, sleeping quarters, whatever. I want to see some stuff happening in the general area. So convert this giant, exactly, convert it to a Spawn, okay? Make Spawn feel like Spawn. You know, when you log in, when you go can you hello? Can you play? She's like, yeah, all right, I'm listening. I want to see it. I want to see it be a Spawn. So that'll happen, it'll start on Sunday. So you can start preparing your ideas and your you know, your supplies now. And then we'll officially announce it on Sunday, okay? And I will also announce the prizes. It'll be like items and stuff. So we're gonna announce the prizes and all that stuff on Sunday, okay? Well, I'm gonna mark this down because I'm gonna forget. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Sunday Minecraft event will start. There will be prizes for, you know, the top chosen buildings. This Sunday coming up. Like coming up, yeah. So there's a Friday coming up, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on my stream day. So I will have a Voices of the Void night again on Sunday, this Sunday, and I will announce it there. Oh my god, I hear Herman running around. Yeah, so that's gonna be the big thing, but that's what I'm thinking, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Ow! All right, I think I'm gonna log off here. Cal, your grave is still here. Oh, she was just killed again. But yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. All right, I gotta get going. But I'll probably be on again soon. Because I can actually play the game now. Oh, I better hop in. I finally make some fancy. Yeah. All right, let's go on over here. I think it's about time we say goodnight. We finished my house! I love seeing what everyone's been doing. It's so much fun. Oh, game crashed. Oh, game lagged. Okay, we're good. All right, hold on. We'll do this. We'll do that. Do I have anything else I want to talk about? I think that was it. I think that was the main thing I wanted to wrap up with today. So build a shop on Sunday. You have a week to do it. It's going to be a week's worth event. So you'll have Sunday to Sunday, probably. Yeah, it'll be like a week's worth. I'll give y'all plenty of time. You have some days to prepare now and think. You know, plot out your lands. Make sure you plot out your lands. Make sure you like plot out stuff so you're not building over anyone else's stuff, you know? You know? All right, guys. Let's go over here. Do, 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 do. Ba, 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 ba. All right. Cal?
Baby man, little baby man, little baby man, little baby
man. I always forget. That's okay. No more Minecraft. Minecraft is over. Guys, join the Discord if you're not already in there. You also need to be in the Discord to even play Minecraft. All right, team. Hi, Kita. Welcome in. You're just coming in at wrap-up time. Oh. All right, let me see who's live. Maybe. Ooh. There we go. Where's my stuff here? Stop! Stop fighting! All right. Wow. Ooh. All right, gamers. Look at all these gamers. Let me go see what's happening here. You know what? Here, you guys can fight while I find a raid target. Let's see.
No.
No. That's okay. I'm having to drop in and say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry for just coming in here. We've been streaming for a little longer than I thought. I just get lost in the Minecraft sauce. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's see. Oh, there's a lot of people online today. Oh, you were taking a nap! Oh, you know what? I hope the nap was good, though. Yarr. Man. Oh! Okay, well now, why would you go do that? Okay, now why would you go do that? Okay. I'm trying to see who's live. Ow! Oh my god. Alright, you know what? Hold on, I saw somebody.
OMG. DENNYS. I love that place.
I love that place. Denny's. Dude, we gotta hit up Denny's again for fucking Foray this year. I was thinking Blanc. I haven't rated Blanc actually in so long. But I'm always there. Motherfucking Blanc playing pizza game. Yeah, I think that's... I don't see... There's actually not a lot of people online. It was so much fun. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go raid Mall Dummy instead. Mall Dummy's celebrating her birthday stream right now. Let's go give a birthday raid over to Mall Dummy. She's playing Repo, which is so much fun. Yeah, we're gonna go raid Mall Dummy. Mall Dummy also has like a really fucking cool Furby model on right now. This is sick as hell. All right, we're gonna go raid Mandy. Mandy is so cool, guys. Mandy is so cool. I will say Mandy is an 18+ streamer, so please respect that. I will warn you right now. Mandy is doing some Repo for their birthday, and it looks like modded Repo too. Repo's so much fun to watch. All right, guys. I want to play. I know. Birthday raids. Yeah, we're gonna go raid Mandy on her birthday. All right, let's do raid message here. What should we do? Let's do Shark-Sided Raver. Raid message, Cal. Do you have one in mind? Because I was just gonna make one up right now. I love this model. I love stretching my arms. That's how I'm feeling. All right, let's go raid Mandy. What should our raid message be? You know what? No, I got it. Chicken Jockey. That's gonna be our raid message. Nah, you're good. This is gonna be our raid message. Copy and paste that if you are subscribed. If not, that's okay. Feel free to use my own emotes or, oh sorry, feel free to use any other emotes. You don't have to use mine if you're not subbed. Use any like free ones from Twitch. Doesn't matter, all means the same. Or just put Chicken Jockey in chat, it means the same. All right, it's Mandy's birthday. Go give him lots of love once we get over there, okay? A reminder, Mandy is 18+. But she has a really cute fucking model right now. Like, this is such a cute model. It's like a big worm Furby model. Big worm Furby. All right. And thank you everybody for chilling tonight. Thank you if you joined the server or if you're just hanging out. Thank you for the raids, the subs, the bits, all that good shit. And I'll be back on Sunday. I'll be back on Sunday. I'm going to the Tattoo Expo tomorrow. I'll probably take pictures while I'm there. What else? If anyone's interested, I did upload my April Fool's VOD right away to YouTube, so, you know, pre-warning for that. Join the Discord if you're not. It's pinned or it's right there. And I also have a Blue Sky, which I'm very active on, so. All right, thank you guys for joining me today. I love y'all this much. I love everybody this much. And I hope we all have a lovely rest of the week and have a lovely weekend coming up. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. You made it to Friday, sailors. We made it to Friday. And I hope you all have a lovely night, okay? I'm one for pain. Let's sit. Big worm Furby is meant to be cute. Yeah, no, it's actually cute. It is cute, I promise. All right, guys, go give Mandy some love once we get over there, okay? Mandy's super cool. They're a very, like, internet retro themed, like, streamer, so. And they're in the middle of a hype train right now, so let's fucking keep up the hype, shall we? All right. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Back for stream, by the way. I'll be back on Sunday. Good night, everybody. Have a great night. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And always remember, it is free to be a kind person. Never forget that, all right? I'll see you guys next time. Good night.